In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TurboTax password. If you need to update your password for security reasons or simply want to switch to something easier to remember, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax or Intuit account. Once you're in, look toward the account area and click on Intuit account. This will take you to your main account settings, where you can manage important details related to your profile and security. After that, find and click on Sign In and Security. This section is where TurboTax keeps the settings related to how you access your account, including password options. If you ever need to review login protection or account safety settings, this is generally the place to go. Once you're in the Sign In Security section, click on Change Password. This opens the password update screen where you'll be able to enter your new login credentials. Before you type anything, it's a good idea to choose a strong password that is both secure and memorable. In general, a good password should be unique and not something you've already used for other accounts. Now enter your new password in the first password field. Take your time here and make sure you type it exactly the way you want it, since passwords are case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters matter, as well as any numbers or special characters you include. Next, move to the second field and confirm your new password by typing it again. This step helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. A helpful tip is to enter it slowly and carefully, so both fields match exactly. If the passwords don't match, the system may ask you to re-enter them before you can continue. Once both password fields are complete and correct, click Save. This submits your new password and updates your account. After saving, your new password should be active right away, so be sure to remember it for the next time you sign in. And that's it. You've successfully reset your TurboTax password. If you're updating passwords regularly for security, this is a smart habit that can help protect your account and personal information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.